Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss, the GAMDIAS ATX Mid-Tower Gaming Computer PC Case. This sleek and stylish PC case is packed with features that every gamer and PC enthusiast will appreciate. In this video, we'll dive deep into its design, functionality, and performance. So, if you're in the market for a new PC case, keep watching. Let's start with an overview of the GAMDIAS ATX Mid-Tower Gaming PC Case. It comes with a full-sized tempered glass cover that allows you to showcase your gaming rig's inner beauty. This case is designed with gamers in mind, featuring a mesh front panel for excellent airflow and aesthetics. One of the standout features of this case is the RGB lighting. It supports RGB connection to compatible motherboards, which means you can achieve system-wide lighting synchronization with just one click. This feature truly transforms your PC from chaos to calm with beautiful RGB lighting effects. Now, let's talk about cooling. The GAMDIAS ATX Mid-Tower comes equipped with 4 built-in 120mm RGB fans that are not only functional but also visually stunning. These fans are showcased through the mesh front panel and the tempered glass side panel. With this level of airflow, your gaming components will stay cool even during intense gaming sessions. This case offers excellent expandability for your gaming rig. It comes with various drive bays, including 2x3.5 or 1x2.5 plus 1x3, 5/2 x2.5 HDD tray, ensuring you have plenty of storage options. It also features USB 3.0 x1, USB 2.0 x2, HD Audio x1, and LED Control x1 for your convenience. Moreover, it supports different motherboard sizes, including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX, along with 7 PCIe slots for expansion. Now, the best part, the price. The GAMDIAS ATX Mid-Tower Gaming Computer PC case is available for just $59.99, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers looking for a feature-packed case. In conclusion, the GAMDIAS ATX Mid-Tower Gaming PC case with tempered glass, RGB lighting, and excellent airflow is an impressive choice for gamers. It offers a combination of style, functionality, and affordability that's hard to beat in its price range. That wraps up our review of the GAMDIAS ATX Mid-Tower Gaming Computer PC case. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts about this PC case, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, for more detailed information and to make a purchase, you can find a link to this product in the video description. Stay tuned for more product critiques, and until next time, happy gaming!